So the next topics is algebra of sets and duality. Algebra of sets refers to the operation and laws used to create new sets or analyze existing ones. Instead of numbers, we use sets and apply rules to them. Duality means that every operation has an element operation. Example, union, intersection, universal set, and empty set. So as important laws. In algebra of sets, we have different laws such as associative, commutative, distributive, identity, complement, idempotent, absorption, and De Morgan's laws. So first is commutative law, and order does not exist. And so A union B equals B union A. A intersection B equals B intersection A. So examples, this is the examples. A equals 1, 2, B is 2, 3. So A union B as 1, 2, 3, B union A as 2, 3, 1. So same elements, so they are equals. And next is associative law. Grouping does not matter because A union B equals union C equals A union B union C. So the example is A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. So the A union B equals 1, 2. So this 1, 2, and 1, 2 is union C. So this 1 and 2. Ano? So C na ta. So C. This is C. So A, B, C. So 1. So C is equals to 1, 2, and 3. So next one is B. B union C is 2, 3. So 2 and 3. So A union 2, 3. A. So 2 and 3 equals 1 to 3. So 1, 2, and 3. So identity law. Combining with nothing changes nothing. Combining with nothing changes nothing. So A union P. So this one is empty set, so means is P equals A. A union A intersection and union equals A. So example is A equals 1, 2. So A union empty set equals 1, 2. A intersection U equals 1, 2. So A stays the same because the empty set has no elements. So this one is no elements because empty nga siya. And then so when you combine A with nothing, you don't add anything. So nothing was added. So A stays the same. So complement law, every set has an opposite. A union A. So this one is a complement. A and then equals U. A intersection A equals empty. Example U 1, 2, 3, 4. A 1, 2. Step by step. So let's start step by step. So A equals 3, 4. So A union A equals 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is union. A intersection A equals empty because this one is empty set. So wala siya ikakuan. The next is De Morgan's laws. So the complement of union A and B equals to the intersection of the complement A and B. This one. And A intersection B is a complement equals A complement U universal equals B. So U is 1 2 3 4, A is 1 2, B is 2 3. So let's step by step. A U and B equals 1 2 3. A universal B equals 4. Now A is 3 4, B is 1 4. So the answer is A intersection B equals 4. So that's all for today. So algebra sets is provide rules that help us simplify and solve problem involving sets. So these rules are important in mathematics and computer science. Thank you for listening.